Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. It's certainly not your grandmother's Nova that she used to go get groceries. This is a big block 467 12-bolt rear end, 4-speed, custom suspension. This thing's a hot rod. If you go to volocars.com, you'll see pictures top to bottom, all the specs, full description of this car, including the price, and about 200 other collector cars that are all for sale. So right now, how about we go for a spin in this 1972 Chevy Nova. We're in a metal building. It's really pouring down rain right now, so it might be a little extra noisy today. It's done up as a Yenko tribute, so it has the stripes and the emblems and the cowl hood, so that really dresses it up quite a bit. Brand new polished torque thrust wheels. They're 17-inch. Super clean body. It's a Virginia car, painted up real nice. All down low is smooth and clean and straight. The car was wet, we just wiped it down. There might be a minor imperfection here or there, a little tiny bump right there, but overall it's a good looking car, good looking paint job, very clean and solid. Underneath the car, the whole front end's completely rebuilt. It has gas adjustable coilover shocks in front. It's got subframe connectors so you don't get the body flex, a 12-bolt rear end. Gas shocks in back, looks like new spring bushings, new fuel tank with the sending unit, the straps, the fuel lines, it's all new. New brakes, they're disc in front, all new brake lines, hoses, the e-brake cable's hooked up. It's got a fat exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers, goes all the way out the back. Under the hood is a 454 bored out to a 467. It's got aluminum heads, a big aluminum high-rise Holley with a chrome double-feed Holley carb, HEI ignition system, a new power brake booster, aluminum radiator with an electric pusher fan. It's got hooker headers. I have all the internal specs on the motor. I don't have them off the top of my head. Go to the website. They'll be listed there in the description of the motor. It's got a lot of good parts in the engine. It's built. The interior is completely redone. The door panel, the armrest, the window cranks and handles, new cushions in the seat so they fit perfectly and they feel like a new seat, new carpet, new headliner, new mirror. All the chrome and trim and tail lights, all in beautiful shape, looks new. Trunk is real clean with a real nice spatter finish paint. It's a brand new tire on a rally wheel, has the jack, has a mat, painted real nice under here. New weather stripping, the jamb is painted up nice. Glass looks good, door jambs look real nice. New weather strip, new window seals. Back to the interior, the whole dash area is mint. Glove box area is painted, new glove box liner, new heater controls. The whole panel's new, and it has a nice set of custom electric analog gauges in there with tachometer. It's also a new deluxe steering wheel. It's a little loud. I'm going to fire it up here for you. Got a nice cam. Yeah, like I said, that's not Grandma's Nova. That's got a healthy cam, and that's all muscle car there. So go to volocars.com. You can see underneath the car, read all the specs, get the pricing. This is a very nice piece. Cowl induction hood. It's a metal hood, bow tie mirrors. Nice digital gauges. So volocars.com, and there's plenty of ways to contact us on there. We have a staff of people, and they can help answer questions, get you shipping, get you financed, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos as we're putting them out. And I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for a lot more cool cars.